Hello guys, I'm Jay from Korea, and from now I want to teach you how to cook easy and simple Korean food. My first menu is kimchi fried rice. And kimchi fried rice is one of BTS Jimin's favorite Korean food. So I think you should be interested in this food. So from now I'm gonna tell you how to cook kimchi fried rice. So you should try this food at home. Let me tell you what you should prepare before cook. First, of course, rice. Of course, kimchi fried rice. And third one is any kind of meat. I prepared pork today, but you can prepare chicken, beef, or spam. Spam is also good. And any kind of sausage. Just anything you like. The last one is green onion. So first, green onion, and cut this part and slice it as much as you want. But for me, I want many things. I love green onion because it's delicious, but also it makes food really smell good. And the next part is chopping kimchi. This one is also depending on your taste, because even some Korean people make it really small, but for me, I like the texture of kimchi, so I'm not gonna make this one too small. Put kimchi in another bowl. For me, this one is bigger than kimchi because I love meat. So, okay, it's done. Really simple and easy and fast, right? So again, I'm gonna show you just 4 things. Rice, green onion, meat, kimchi. So first, you need to put oil here and put green onions. It smells really nice. And this time, put meat here. The smell is already delicious, so you can eat now, but it's better to put pepper now to get rid of some bad smell from pork. And also, pepper smell makes it delicious. Woo! Look at this, it's good. Sorry, I need to turn on the pan, but I don't know, maybe it sounds really noisy. And put kimchi. I don't know how much I need to put kimchi. I think everything is okay. I need to tell you this again. You need to do it in strong fire because it makes it more delicious. Okay? Can you see me well? Because kimchi is salty and little bit sour, depends on kimchi. So you need to put sugar. You can just put as much as you want. So finally, put rice here. Oh shit. Because I use frozen rice, it's a little bit bad, but if you use just normal rice, it's really easy to fry. Little bit too much of sugar, but it's good. And I want to do some optional choice. I want to put some egg fried on kimchi fried rice. So wait a second. Here we are. So let's do this. Okay. So I put kimchi fried rice here and put like this to make good shape, but I'm not sure because I never tried. So, good looking dish like this. You need to this one and like this. Okay, like this. Good shape, right? And put it this way. Got it. Look at this. Can you see this where? Woo. Smells so good. I'm gonna prepare to eat, so wait a second. Okay, so today I made kimchi fried rice, 김치볶음밥, which is BTS Jimin's favorite Korean food. As you see, it's very easy and simple. If you can prepare kimchi, then just try it. Believe me, it's delicious and easy to experience Korean food. So today's class is over and see you next time. Bye bye.